naughty baby. That's how he can walk.
The what?
That's how he can walk.
The froggy can walk. Did he jump into your bed? That's good.
No, you can't have 4 animals and a baby. You have to pick one animal to go.
I need my little baby.
Your little baby.
What are you doing, Hannah?
I'm here.
Hi, Daniel.
I need this layer.
Alright, then you won't be able to have any babies.
Look. Hey, buddy. Hi.
No,
Hi.
No baby. You won't be able to have any babies if you have the bear.
What are you doing, Hannah?
No babies. You won't be able to have the elephant either. You can't have that many babies.
Are you making your bed, too? Oh, good.
Yeah, you can put them in the basket. Very good, Sarah. Yeah. What?
Now, wait a minute. Sarah, can you tell me who's sleeping with you tonight? Who's sleeping in your bed tonight?
Starting to fall out of the pillowcase.
Oh, you can't have any more. Who's sleeping with you? Oh, who are they?
Hoggy.
Froggy?
This bear, this sheep, this dog.
Oh, okay. Are they sleeping with you? Okay. You can do your chore chart.
Here, I'll help you.
Are you having trouble, Hannah?
No.
Okay.
There you go.
I fell down, Mama.
Oh, good.
That's a pillow.
Yeah?
It used to be a little fall down because I hit my head during the night.
Oh, I see.
It needs to be right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you set the table?
Yeah.
Did you set the table?
I went down myself.
Mm-mm.
No, you did not set the table. Did you put clothes in the wash? Yes. Did you clean up your room?
Yeah, I clean out my room.
I think so. Alright, there you go. You didn't get this one, so you can't put one there. You didn't set the table.
Yeah?
Take it down for Hannah.
Wrong. This one's
What did she do?
She didn't set the table.
Well, that's because I did it tonight.
Here, Emma, you should have a picnic.
Who's sleeping with you tonight?
An elephant.
Oh, okay.
They're going to have a picnic.
Wait a minute. I thought you were supposed to be sleeping.
What?
I thought you were supposed to be sleeping. How are they going to have a picnic?
Oh, Mom.
Just for pretend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who else is sleeping with you?
Here I go, looking for...
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for a mine. A pillow. Oh, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
They're just going to be 10.
Okay.
And I have 2 babies to watch.
Okay.
And I have to make a tent for them. I know. I'll spread a blanket over top of them.
Okay.
So I won't wake up. Big. There we go. And I'm going to get 2 strong babies to go, to take, and make sure no animal comes out the way night, so I will have to take care of it. Here's another one that